finally end of the stock N54 turbo era. This is gonna be a long process, and we got work Monday, and it's Saturday at 3 p.m. Let's get these motherfucking turbos out. It is officially midnight. I finally got the oil pan out. This thing's been leaking pretty good, making a mess underneath my car. Hopefully there's no metal shavings or anything. Oh, that does not feel... What the fuck? Ain't no way. That's where the fucking make my nuts is. Alright boys, these stock turbos are finally out. These things look like absolute dog piss. They're not blown though. I will say there's not much play in here, but there is definitely a lot of blow-by signs in here of oil just laying around. So we got to go ahead and swap over all the feed lines. Frank is out for the count. That was the bar last night, buddy. Stocks, it's been a great run. That's how I feel. Boys, look at this. We got the front turbo in. I got this pretty Doc Race hardware. Tell me that shit don't look bala, boy, huh? Bing! We're about to put this one on. It's getting there slowly but surely. We are getting there.
This shit's gonna be extraordinary.
Alright, so as you guys know, with the infamous wastegate rattle, so on these 9T2s, we're definitely gonna try to dial these in before. Thanks to you guys' help on Instagram. We got this whole brake booster pressure thing. I don't know what it is, vacuum pressure thing. At 6 pounds, we have it where this flap in here will not spin. At 6, what that means is fully seated on there. We're gonna run with this setup and hopefully have this bitch start tomorrow morning. We are like probably 30 minutes away from starting this bitch up. Torquing the wheels, adding coolant. Shout out CD919 who literally sent me a base map tune in 20 minutes. If you guys need any tuning for N54 or BMW in general, hit up CD919. So I am praying to God we've spent tireless nights grinding on this fucker. It's day 4. Alright, so I'm about to crank the car. We got all the coil packs unplugged. I'm so goddamn nervous right now. Alright, that sounded beautiful. It sounds really good. Let's pray we got oil and coolant through the turbos. That's all I'm praying on right now. Before we even start this car, look at this fucking thing right now with no bumper and all these coolers. This shit literally looks absurd. Please, please drop prayer emojis in the chat. We need them right this second. Drop a prayer emoji.
If something fucks up, I hope you fix it.
Oh!